everybody. Today we'll take a close look at the Extreme Sets Subway Terminal pop-up diorama. So it's another of the effectful dioramas from Extreme Sets. I've previously reviewed the Deranged Alley and the Sector 09 space-themed diorama. So this is how it looks when you first get the diorama pieces in a box, but with a little piece of the diorama visible. And inside the box we have a lot of different pieces. First up we have these two pillars, and they have to be assembled. It's very quick and easy, just like this, in one end and the other as well here. So with that done, everything is ready to be assembled just as you like. And here we have the diorama set up in one of the ways. It's possible to put the pieces together in a lot of different ways, but here is how it could turn out. With one side here with posters, the stairs at the end, the floor pieces here, and the subway train on the right. And this diorama, as mentioned here, also brings ground pieces, which is new compared to the other two dioramas I previously reviewed. The subway train here with graffiti, everything very well done, and it's looking good. So what you get exactly is two train pieces here, and then different subway terminal pieces, one with stairs here, another one with a door and a poster, more posters, and one with an empty wall. And then you get three identical ground pieces. Very nice looking, and they can also be used for other dioramas. And finally the two pillars. So that's a total of 11 pieces. And there is nothing on the backside on any of the pieces, but they're made in a solid quality. And once again, they can be connected in a different order, with one exception, and that is the subway train here. These pieces have to be connected in one particular way to fit together. Well, it's technically possible to put them together otherwise, but it doesn't look good. And it's very easy to take them apart again. No problems, easy to do, and you can set it up almost any way you like. At least with the other pieces here, they fit in both ends and can be connected in every order you like, as seen here. So for now, I'll leave you with my opinion about the subway terminal diorama from Extreme Sets, and then I'll sum up this review. So once again, you get a nice addition to your action figure photography setups or displays. Extreme Sets bring you the subway terminal with, in my opinion, a very impressive 3D effect and a good quality, easy to use and to put together and do whatever you like with it. As seen here, you can change the setup very easy behind your figures and create a totally new environment that you can use in your photos or whatever you like. And then the diorama also brings ground pieces. That's new, and that's also a great addition. I highly recommend this subway terminal from Extreme Sets. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave a comment or subscribe if you'd like to see more.